In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create citations and bibliography in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add sources, insert in-text citations where they belong, and generate a clean bibliography without any manual formatting. Start by opening your Google Docs document. With your document open, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then select Citations. This opens the Citations sidebar on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll manage all of your sources for this document. In the sidebar, click the button that says Add Citation Source. A form will appear asking what kind of source you're using, such as a book, a website, or a journal article. Choose the option that best matches your source, then fill in the details you have, like the author, title, publisher, date, and, for online sources, the URL or DOI if it applies. The more complete and accurate your information, the better your citations will be. It's a good idea to copy names and titles exactly as they appear on the source and double-check dates and capitalization. When you're done, click Add Citation Source to save it. You'll now see that source listed in the sidebar. Next, place your cursor in the document exactly where you want the in-text citation to appear. In the Citations sidebar, find the source you want to cite and click Cite next to it. Google Docs will insert a properly formatted in-text citation right where your cursor is. If you need to include a page number, you can type it in after the citation is inserted, keeping the format consistent with the style shown. Repeat this process for each source you reference in your document. Place the cursor, then click Cite for the correct source. This keeps your citations consistent and saves time compared to formatting them manually. When you're ready to add a bibliography, place your cursor where the bibliography should go, typically at the end of your document. In the Citations sidebar, scroll to the bottom and click Insert Bibliography. Google Docs will generate a formatted list of all the sources you've cited in the document. If you add or remove citations later, the bibliography will update automatically to reflect those changes, helping you keep everything synchronized without extra effort. That's it. By using the Citations tool, you ensure your in-text citations and bibliography are accurate, consistent, and easy to maintain as your document evolves.